What a beautiful day, y'all. Today I'm just gonna fish with whatever I have tied onto my crappie poles. We're on our side of Lake Louisville, on the south side. And anyway, have no real special plans. I'm not trying any different colors. I may go with plastics. No minnows, SK. You're gonna love that. But I may catch a couple of shad and chop them up just to see. If not, I'm probably gonna use my little crappie nibbles. So anyway, we're gonna go out there. I had a few problems with the with the boat chasing all these wires, and it turned out to be one little tiny fuse in the motor. So we're gonna see how it runs. I redid my live scope pole because it was real janky and junky, and now it's smoother, so I might paint it, you never know. But anyway, let's just get out there and have fun. I'm kind of a short day today. Got to pick up the grandson afterwards, and yeah, let's just see what these brush piles and timbers are holding on the south side of Louisville. All right, let's go out there and have fun. First fish of the day on Angry Vicky, and a little shad tail that I cut. So it's a bunch of them on here. Ooh, look at all those tiny little shad over there. That's nice. No wonder they're hitting this. That's what they're feeding on. Actually, I need to get a little bit closer. Some big ones on there on top too. I'm hoping they're big ones. I'm still learning how to distinguish sizes. It's an ongoing process. But gotcha. Ooh, looks like a nice one. Oh yeah, that's keeper. Nice black crappie. Settle down, buddy. Settle down, so that's a little crappie. I don't know why I think they're so big, and they're really just a little crappie. Alright, y'all, looks like we found some brand spanking new structure I have never in my life ever fished. So let's check it out, see if it's holding some big crappie. I'm hoping 30 foot of water. Let's go. I wasn't rolling. Dang it. Alright, well, at least we're catching now. Whew. No doubt it has been a tough, hot day. I'm ready for fall. Tough day, but still getting them. Whoa. Thought they were gonna attack me or something. Do you want my fish? Get in line, you. Gotcha. Knew I'd get you sooner or later. Oh. Later than sooner, I guess.